Hello and welcome back, and today we have the other half of the ETBs. So if you remember last time, we managed to get the Meloetta EX SIR from the Black Bolt ETB. So today we're going to test our luck with the white Flare ETB and see what we can get from here. So inside we get the usual 9 packs with the promo. So let's get inside of here and see what we can get. Out of here, take a little look inside the player guide. You can have a little whiz through just so you guys can have a look. Feel free to pause on any pages that you want to have a closer inspection of. We're just going to have a quick whiz through the set booklet. Now we have pulled some already. We've managed to get 2 or 3 of the Hilders as the SIRs so far, but there are some really nice artworks that I wouldn't mind finding. So let's just see what we can get today. Obviously we're definitely looking for the Victini, and that's the Hilda that I've pulled a few of. So let's see what we can get in today's video. So inside here we have the Tornadus promo, which is pretty cool. That side, that comes with the dividers, and then we have your white dice with the red numbers. And then we have damage, and then we have your white Flare sleeves, quite nice. And obviously we have your deck of energy cards, but more importantly we have your 9 packs of white Flare that we're going to be opening today, and we're going to hope for something good. We're hoping to at least match the Black Bolt. But then again, if we match the Black Bolt, that would mean that we're getting another Hilda. So, fingers crossed, we get something new SIR wise. So, first pack, first code card. Have any of you guys opened up any of these white Flare ETBs? Have any of you managed to find a God pack? Let me know in the comments below. I have done an opening for one of the new Reshiram EX boxes, so that will be coming up soon on the channel. And we have a Reshiram EX full art in our first pack. Nice. So we have Mainfu, Oshawa, Trubbish, Leavanny, Hilda, Swoobat, Vullaby, Archops, and a Bouffalant EX. So, third pack in. So we're 2 for 2 right now. That's pretty decent. Tepig, Woobat, Stunfisk, Lipard, a Celigor, Roggenrola Pokeball Holo, Plume Fossil, and a Zoroark regular Holo. And we have a Holo Lightning Energy. What else can we see from this box today? I'm hoping to be able to get my hands on one of the Prismatic Evolution figure collection boxes. I've managed to pre-order one, but it all depends if the shop gets enough allocated to them or not. So we'll find out at the end of the month whether or not I can get my hands on one of those. I'm also hoping to get my hands on some more of the collection boxes as they come out. We have a Duwat Pokeball Holo, Ducklet Reverse, and a Zoroark regular holo. We've been seeing a few of those Zoroark regular holos. What can we get in the next pack? Can we see an all red Victini today? Or even just an all white Reshiram would be pretty cool out of the Reshiram ETB. We have a Dino, Deerling, Lopard, Celeborn, Zebstrika, a Cottony Pokeball, a Mainfu Reverse, and a Whimsicott EX. So we've got technically a double banger pack there. Can we see anything higher than just a full art Reshiram EX? Can we see an illustration rare at least from these last 3 packs? We have a Leaveney, Stoutland, Shelmet Reverse, Herdia Reverse, and we have a Hilda full art trainer card to go with my 3 Hilda SIRs. But it is a Hilda that I didn't have, so we'll take that. Now, second to last pack. Have we received all of our hits? Oh, did I see something, or was it just the style of the hollow stripes? Ferrothorn, Cheren. Oh, we have an upside down Pokeball Sork in there. We have a Scraggy Reverse and a Samurott regular holo, and then we have a holo Grass Energy as well. So now it comes down to this final pack. Will we get any more hits? Will we get higher than just a full art ultra rare? Let's find out on this last pack. Come on guys, get those fingers crossed. Will we see something great in the last pack? We have another Celigor, a Vanillux, Virizion Reverse Holo, and we have a Bouffalant EX Special Illustration Rare in the last pack. For those of you that had your fingers crossed, you'd made this happen. And we have a Bouffalant EX behind it. What a great double banger for the last pack. So just to recap, we managed to get a Whimsicott EX. We got 2 Bouffalant EXs. We got Roggenrola Pokeball Holo, Duwat Pokeball Holo, Cottony Pokeball Holo, the Upside Down Sork Pokeball Holo. Managed to get the Reshiram EX full art. We managed to get the Hilda full art. And in our very last pack, thanks to the fingers crossed, we have a Bouffalant EX SIR. And on top of that, we also got the 2 holo energy cards. So all in all, that went really well. Can't complain with that at all. So good luck out there, guys, with your ETBs. I wish you all the best. Hopefully you get the cards that you're hunting for. And let me know down in the comments if you managed to get any good pulls from yours. And until next time, as always, happy hunting. Goodbye, guys.